Hello, I am Dharmisha Prajapati. Today we will learn lesson number 3, List and Images in HTML5. In this lesson, we will learn how to make a list, which are the type of list, how to apply logic of list in the HTML program. In this lesson, there are three type of list of HTML. First one is unordered list, second one is order list, and third one is descriptive list. Unordered list defined with the UL tag, order list defined with the OL tag, and descriptive list defined with the DL, DT and DD tag. We will use attributes and cascading style sheet in a program. We will also learn how to set image and display on web browser. You know that how to write a program in Notepad editor and run your program in particular web browser. First of all, learn some tags which are used in previous standard. We will also use cascading style sheet in a program. First, we recall the properties of HTML elements. Here given a table. First one is text property, its values and example. So first color property, specify the foreground color of the text. Values are color name, hexadecimal color value, RGB color value. We can define in a program in this way: color colon red, color RGB, R means red, G means green, blue, B means blue. Its value is 45, 65, 150. Now next one is text align. It is specify the horizontal alignment of text or block of text. Values are left, right, center, justify. For example, text align right. Now next one is line height. It is specify the distance between two lines. Values are normal by default, number a number that will be multiplied with the current font size to set the line height. Length a fixed line height in a pixel, point value, centimeter or percentage value. A line height in a percentage of current value. For example, line height normal. Now, text decoration. It is specify the decoration that are added to a text underline line through. Values are none. By default, define a normal text. Underline, define the line below the text. Overline, define the line above the text. Or line through, define the line through the text. For example, text decoration colon overline, text decoration colon underline. Now, text shadow. It is specify the shadow effect for the text. Its values are none, color name, color value. For example, text shadow colon 2 pixel green. In this way we can define in a programming. Now, text transform. It controls the capitalization of text. Its values are none, default. The text appears as it is. Capitalize the first character of each word in uppercase. Uppercase, all the characters are in the uppercase, or lowercase, all the characters are in lowercase. We can define in this way in a programming text transform colon uppercase. Now, next one is font properties. First one is a font. It is specifies all the font property in a one declaration. Values, font style font, font variant, font size, font family. For example, font colon bold, 18 pixel, Arial. Now next one is font family. It specifies the list of font names. Value, font name, font family Arial, font size, specify the size of a font. Values are XX small, small, medium, large, X large, XX large, larger, smaller, value or percentage. For example, font size colon large, font size colon 17 pixel. Now font style. Specify the styles of font, its values, normal, italic. We can define in programming font style italic. Now next one is margin properties. First one is a margin. Set all the margin properties in one declaration. Values are margin bottom, margin left, margin right, margin top. We can define in this way margin colon 10 pixel, 5 pixel, 5 pixel and 10 pixel. Now margin bottom sets all the fixed bottom margin of an element in a pixel, point value, centimeter, etc. Length default value is 0 pixel, margin bottom 1 centimeter. Margin left set the left margin of element in a pixel, point value, centimeter, etc. Default value is 0 pixel, margin left 2 centimeter. Margin right sets all the right margin of the element in a pixel, point value, centimeter, etc. Length default value is 0 pixel. We can define in this way. Write down their margin right colon 10 pixel. Margin top sets the top margin of an element in a pixel, point value, centimeter, etc. Length default value is 0 pixel. We can define margin top colon 3 centimeter. Now border property. First one is a border. Sets all the border property in a one declaration. Its values are border width, border style, border color. We can define in a programming border colon solid 3 pixel green. Now border width. Specify the width of the border, thin, medium, thick, length. And example, border width thick, border width 5 pixel. In this way we can define in the programming. Now border style. Specify the style of the border. Values are none, dotted, dash, solid, double, groove. We can define in the programming border style dash, border style inset. Border color. Specify the color of the border, color name, color value. We can define color, border color maroon. Now next one is background property. First background color. Specify the background color, color name, color value, transparent. For example, write down in the programming background color colon yellow. You will see a yellow color background by using this example. Now next one is background image. Specify the background image, URL of the image, background image URL sky.jpg. In this way we can set any image in the background of the page. Now background position. Specify the initial position of the background image. Values are left top, left center, left bottom, right top, right center, right bottom, center top, center center, center bottom, X position, Y position. Background position center center. In this way we can define in a programming. Now background attachment. Specify whether the background image is fixed or scroll when the user scroll the rest of the page. The values are scroll or fixed. Background attachment fix. And last one is background repeat. Specify whether the background image is repeated or not. Values are repeat, repeat X, repeat Y and no repeat. We can define in the programming in this way background repeat, repeat X. Now HTML supports several types of list elements that we can include with the body tag of document. List item tag. We use list item tag with li tag to define each item of the list. Once we define the list item with the li tag, the list appears in the web browser in bulleted form by default. The different type of list that we can create an HTML document: unordered list, ordered list, and description list. Working with list properties, using the list property, you can specify the style and position of the list item marker. Various list properties that are common to both order and unordered list. Here given the table of list property, first column property, first one is list style. This used to set all the list property in one declaration. Values are list style position, list style image, list style type. For example, list style column square inside. Now, list style position. Specify the position of the list item marker inside, outside. List style position inside. In this way we can define. Here we can create one HTML program. First of all, to open Notepad editor, then type the programming in this way, then save your program with .html extension, then open in any web browser. So first of all, see in this way. Write down opening HTML tag, then closing HTML tag, then opening head tag, then closing head tag, then set it in proper way, then write down title tag, closing title tag, then write down the title between two tags, creating a list. Now write down body tag. This is the main part of the program. Opening body tag, then closing body tag. Here we use li tag for making a list. So opening li tag, then closing li tag, then copy it. First of all select, then copy, Ctrl C, then Ctrl V, then write down there the list. First list item, then second list item, then save your program. File menu, click on file menu, then save option. In a file name field, write down there p1.html, p1.html, then click on save button, then minimize your program, then right click on the program, then open with Internet Explorer. So in this way we can get the output of the program. This is the list by using li tag.